Safe return to exercise after delivery. When and how to return to exercise after birth. Hi, I'm Navdeep Kaur, physiotherapist at Emerald Hills Physio. After having a baby, many new moms are eager to return to their regular workouts. But your body has changed, and jumping back in too soon can lead to injury or long-term issues like pelvic organ prolapse or diastasis recti. In this video, I will guide you through when to start, what to focus on, and share gentle rehab exercises that build your foundation safely. Understanding postnatal recovery. Whether you had a vaginal or C-section delivery, your core, pelvic floor, and posture have undergone major changes. Your first goal is not to burn calories or tone abs, but to reconnect with your deep core muscles, improve stability, and manage pressure. Most women can begin gentle movements around 6 weeks postpartum, but always check with your doctor first. Rehab exercises to start with. Number 1. Diaphragmatic core breathing. Why it matters. Reconnects your core, pelvic floor, and diaphragm. Sit or lie on your back with knees bent. Inhale deeply. Let your belly and ribs expand. Exhale slowly. Gently draw your belly button toward your spine. Repeat 5 to 10 rounds daily. Number 2. Heel slides with core engagement. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Inhale. Prepare your core. Exhale as you slide one heel forward, then back. Repeat 10 times per leg. Maintain core activation. Number 3. Wall sit hold. Why it helps. Strengthens glutes and supports the back. Stand with your back against the wall. Feet hip width. Slide down into a mini squat. Knees over ankles. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds, working up to 30 to 60 seconds. When can I do cardio or lifting again? Start with core rehab first. If you are symptom-free, no pain, bulging, or leaking, you can gradually return to higher intensity exercises by 12 to 16 weeks. What should I avoid in early postpartum exercise? Avoid crunches, running, or heavy lifting until your pelvic floor and core are retrained. Postpartum recovery is a journey, and your body deserves a safe, supported return to movement. Let's build your foundation first. Book your postnatal assessment at Emerald Hills Physio, and I will help you return to exercise with strength and confidence.